Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me now, coming at you with another video. It's another video. It is cooking time. So let's make me some dinner. I'm gonna have some grilled chicken breast salad with some udon teriyaki noodles. You guys know how to make this. I did a review on this. If you haven't seen it, link above in the, what is that? In the overhead. It's popping up. Anyways, I already marinated, seasoned the chicken. Look at that, baby. And then the butter right there to go with it. Let's put it in the pan. All right, so we got the cucumbers. We got some cabbage. That I already pre-cut. Some more cucumbers because I love me some cucumbers. Okay, well, my chicken and the eggs are boiling. You have the baby kale spring mix. I love this mix. I'm just gonna put that in with the cabbage. Don't worry, I did give this, you know, a good rinse off. The cabbage too when I cut it. And we're just gonna toss this salad. I cut up the chicken and look at that. Okay, let's forget about the eggs because the eggs are taking forever to boil. But if you want to know the seasoning that I put on my chicken, it is down below in the description box. So don't forget to try it. And, you know, check it out. I didn't even put dressing on. I'm gonna take a bit of that. The perfect bite. Got chicken, lettuce, cabbage, and cucumber. Mmm. 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 Really good. While I was eating, I got the noodles done. And you're like, you got a salad, you got everything in there. I need some carb. Either salad and rice or salad and noodles. Ever since I reviewed this, 10 out of 10. I'm gonna put some ranch dressing on, and then that's it for this video. Just because you're wondering, I'm gonna have a green goddess from Boathouse Farms to wash all down. It's the only green juice that I actually like. How to contact me is in the description box below. And I'm about to eat my dinner, y'all. Deuces. Video right there, head right here. Go check it out and check out the description box. Because I basically tell you how many minutes, this, that, and third, and the spices and everything that I used to flavor the chicken and marinate it, and how long I marinated it. But yeah, I love me some chicken breasts. They go quick. Deuces, and remember, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay you. Mwah. I'm about to eat.